Hey guys, what's happening? How to increase Yahoo Mail storage in Yahoo Mail. To increase mail storage, you must subscribe to paid plans. So you're gonna go ahead to yahoo.com/plus. The website offers, of course, upgrade to your current plan. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just scroll over down and see, or just press Yahoo Mail Plus, right? In the Yahoo Mail Plus, you can enjoy an ad-free experience in 200 gigabyte of storage with Yahoo Mail Plus. So organized and in control with flexible tools to manage your inbox for just $5 a month. So if you have the budget for $5 a month to subscribe to Yahoo Plus Mail, just go ahead to the yahoo.com/plus for instant space. So that free storage is limited. All right. As alternatively, what you can do, you can delete the spam, you can clear spam and that trash bin, all constantly to free up some space to add more more of your emails and all that stuff. So that will reduce the amount of storage that will consume your mail. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.